question is, why does my stomach make noise even when I'm not hungry? I'm like, what did you eat? Like, I don't know what's going on inside of there for you to want me to break this down, but I am thinking, what did you eat? Are you hydrated? What's going on? Is it trying to break something down? Is it trying to kill some stuff? I don't know. So we have to dive a little bit more into what's going on as it relates to these noises, because your abdomen, your stomach should be making noises, but not all the time. Let's talk about it.